To make the skirt pattern, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a horizontal line, and this is going to be my waistline. I'm just going to draw a straight horizontal line across here. I'm going to label it as my waistline. Then next I'm going to find my waist to hip measurements by placing the measuring tape from my waist down to my hip. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line across, and I'm going to label this as my hip line. Then next I'll determine the full length of my skirts by placing the measuring tape from my waist to the desired full length. If you want yours to be very long, you can go up to your ankle, or if you want it midi, you can go up to your knees, or if you want it very short, you can go up to your thighs. So I just want mine to be an average skirt, not too long, not too short. So I'm going to label this as my full length. Then next I'm going to find the circumference of my waist by placing the measuring tape around my waist and divide by 4. So my waist circumference divided by 4 is going to be marked right here. I'm going to go to my hip. I'll do the same. I'll place the measuring tape around my hip, then I'll divide it by 4. I'll mark the measurement over there. Then for the full length, since this is a pencil skirt, I'll get the measurement on my hip, whatever you find there. So mine is 10. I'll subtract 2. So 10 minus 2 is going to give me 8 inches. I'm going to mark 8 inches right here on my full length. Then next I'm going to connect the points and shape my skirt pattern. So if you love this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and you won't miss out on more educational sewing and pattern drafting fashion design tutorials. So I'm just going to connect and shape my skirts, my pencil skirt pattern. Connect the points. So next I'm going to show you how to make the dart. So to make the dart, I'm going to go on my waistline and find the midpoint. Then I'm going to go downwards by 4 inches. Then next I'm going to draw a vertical line down to the 4 inches. Then on the midpoint, I'm going to go on my left side by 1 inch and on my right side by 1 inch. So I'll just mark on my right side 1 inch and on my left side 1 inch. Then I'm going to connect and shape my little dart. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. See you next time. Bye.